Old mobile phone, TVs, refrigerators and computers are among the most common kinds of e-waste around the world, and quantities are rising fast across Africa. Increasingly, Africans themselves are responsible for a large amount of this waste, which can release harmful substances such as mercury and lead into the environment that damage human health. Miranda Amakre is a Deputy Director, National Environmental Standards and Regulations Enforcement Agency, NESREA, Nigeria.
This is one of the highest volume of waste streams we have in Nigeria because of the high use of telephone handsets. So many people have more than one handset.
Many African countries also import e-waste. Together with rising domestic demand, this means that the continent could generate more e-waste than Europe by 2017.
Nigeria allows importation of used electrical and electronic equipment. Some of them, they come and they are almost at their end of life. So it becomes a problem for us in the country.
To address the problems of e-waste, many experts and countries are focusing on the economic potential of e-waste to the African economy.
1 ton of mobile phones, obsolete mobile phones, that ton of mobile phones contains roughly 350 grams of gold.
Old electronics contain precious materials such as gold, silver and rare earth metals.
If you consider the value of those materials, there you have the economic opportunities.
The call for action in e-waste, issued on the last year of the first ever Pan-African Forum on e-waste held in Nairobi, Kenya from March 14 to 16, underlined the possible economic benefits of e-waste.
We in UNEP would like to see in this partnership that has been evolving with more and more representatives from governments, but also from the private sector, from the manufacturers, but also those who perhaps can be pioneers in bringing new technologies to processing that waste, really being a partnership that speaks to this notion of the green economy where you turn a problem into an opportunity.
The agreement also prioritized need to improve the collection, transport and storage of e-waste, since most e-waste recycling in Africa currently takes place informally at dump sites or landfills. A move towards a formalized sector using international standards will limit risks to the environment and the health of people working on dump sites.
Let's start to see e-waste move towards away from informal recycling practices and to proper demanufacturing and proper methodology for recycling with the right kind of standards, which obviously is protecting health and protecting the environment.
The Pan-African Forum on e-waste issued a call to action that outlines 8 priority areas to improve the environmentally sound management of this waste stream in Africa.